guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, my name is Nikita. Welcome to my channel. So today I am finally headed to IKEA and I am mad excited about it because I have been shopping on IKEA a lot, even online in India, and finally I get a chance to go there. So I'm very excited about it. So today is a Friday and we were able to get a slot today. On weekends it's generally difficult to get a slot. Our slot is at 12 and it's already 11. So we need to rush now. We've worn comfortable shoes. We've taken measurements of all the things that we need to buy. So that is one tip that I would give you, that before going, please take measurements of each and every thing that you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy furniture, then take measurements. If you want to buy containers, then take measurements of the drawers you need to put it in, because you never know if it will fit or not. And apart from that, if I shop considerably, which I'm sure is going to happen, then I'm going to make a whole video out of it. And I'll be giving you all certain information and tips throughout the video, but I also plan to make a separate video where I can give more information and on how to shop smartly at IKEA, since I've been doing it for a long time now. So for now, let's just leave and I'm going to take you all along with me on this entire day. So we've left and we are in the car. Very important to eat well before going because there's a lot of walking going to be involved here. So just eating my breakfast and really looking forward to this day.
But we already in that feeling like when you get in the college fest, when you have those volunteers standing.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Actually, yeah.
You have like as a
This
crew.
is where they ask you to sit if there are already enough people in the, like enough people inside.
This is and we are here, guys.
So we started from the showroom section where everything is on display: furniture, sofas, chairs, tables, everything, you name it and they have it. Well, the sofa started somewhere around 8 to 9k, went up to 40 to 50k, even a lakh in some cases. Quality could be off, could be on. You need to check the quality well before buying furniture from IKEA. I would suggest you spend enough time checking the quality of the furniture before buying it. If you're looking for some inspiration to decorate your house, well, IKEA has curated certain rooms and you can buy the exact same items. And in case you want to do that, you just have to flip the tag over and there'll be an aisle number mentioned wherein you can pick the exact same item from that particular aisle number in the pickup section of IKEA. Everything that is on display can be bought from the store itself. You just have to see the aisle number and pick it from the pickup section. For furniture, you will have to assemble it yourself, and well, it's very easy. I have done it and I also have a vlog on when we assembled IKEA furniture. I will link it somewhere on the screen. And in case you don't want to do it yourself, you can actually take the Urban Clap services wherein they will come home and assemble furniture for you, but obviously that will come at an extra cost. You can also take services of furniture experts over here who can help you select some furniture for your house. Guys, we've been looking for the exit for the past 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
5-10 minutes easily, and
this is because Nikita said that no, don't take anything. We'll take everything niche se. And then she goes back, and now we have lost track of where we came from.
Yeah, and
where we have to go.
We were literally roaming in circles since the past 10 minutes.
Although there are arrows on the ground, find stuff on our
But
own.
you told me that you've seen memes on how people actually
Get lost.
cannot find the exit for IKEA because literally this is so huge. Confusing.
careful.
Your trolley is full, guys. Finally eating. These are chicken meatballs, chicken nuggets, cheesecake. What is this?
Chicken tikka masala.
Wow. Let's eat.
Yes, please.
Well, after that heavy lunch, it was now time to go to the mall area, and this is where you need to change your trolley that you got from the showroom section. And well, I would suggest that if you already know what you want to buy and you don't want to look for inspiration in the showroom section, you can totally skip that section and come to the mall directly, because this is where the real action is. This is where you can actually buy things. This is where you can actually see all the small large items, and you can actually pick them up and just put it in your trolley and you're good to go.
Oh, this is amazing. I'm gonna take this.
What are these? And now a very important tip, you will notice that यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऐसे products हैं जिनका like there will be different variants, there will be different sizes, because of which cost will differ, but because सब कुछ jumble हो जाता है, you never really know the price of what you are picking up, so always look for the code. For example, here that you can see 403 code है, so look for the price for 403. Here you can see it is 199. Similarly, you will see that there will be a different code. For example, for 703, the price is 499. This is how you can know the price of the item you've picked up. Well, I love the crockery section here because they were very good cups for 149 rupees. We got some amazing glasses for 99 rupees, and the colors over there, like the colors of the crockery, which is beautiful. There were very good dining sets for only 3,000 for the entire set in these beautiful colors.
So we don't really know what the price for this one, and there's no tag out there. So these guys have these kiosks. You can just scan it out here, and it shows you what's the price for this one.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool, yeah? Pretty cool. So from earlier in the video, where there was a confusion as to what is the price for this box out there, because there were 3 different prices for the same box. So let's just confirm if we pick the right price. It should be 199 as per our calculation. And yes. Okay, so actually we wanted a different color, and just by chance I went and I checked again on the terminal if it's the same price, but it wasn't. So just because the color is different, we shouldn't assume that the price is the same. So this one is for 399, whereas this is for 599, I guess. Yeah.
This is the very famous organizers section of IKEA, and if you are into organizing, trust me, you're going to love this section. Well, IKEA has an amazing range of plants, both real and faux plants, as well as a very good range of affordable planters as well.
Hi, one coffee, please.
Cappuccino? Which one?
Cappuccino, I guess. I'm not.
So guys, we've taken a coffee break and we're enjoying coffee. And what most people don't know here is that you get unlimited refills of coffee. Like you just pay 50 rupees for a cup of cappuccino and you can have unlimited refills for 50 bucks. So if you come here, do have their coffee and do take unlimited refills.
And this is a section where you can pick up all the stuff like furniture and other items. And do not forget to take such videos and pictures over here because trust me, they come out amazing. You can also get your furniture shipped to your house, but obviously that comes at an extra cost.
Shit. But you faced in the wrong direction.
And in the end, be ready for a long queue for billing.
So guys, we are finally out of IKEA. We went in at around 12:15 and we came out at 7. So that was like almost 7 hours. It was amazing. The experience is too good, but it is extremely tiring. So be prepared for it. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make 2 separate videos. One, I'm going to put up a haul for the things that we've shopped for today. And I'm going to make another video for tips and tricks on how to shop smartly at IKEA. So watch out for those 2 videos. And if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.